Are you preparing for the UPSC EPFO exam in 2025? Then, knowing how to download your admit card is crucial. The Union Public Service Commission, UPSC, will release the EPFO admit card for the 2025 exam. And here's everything you need to know. Key dates, details, official website, upsc.gov.in. This is where you'll find the admit card. Release date. The admit card is expected to be available in the third week of November 2025. Keep checking the official website for updates. Exam date. The EPFO exam is scheduled for November 30th, 2025. Make sure to mark your calendar. Exam centers. The exam will be held in various centers across Delhi. What's included in the exam? The exam covers positions like Enforcement Officer, Accounts Officer, EOAO, and Assistant Provident Fund Commissioner, APFC. How to download your admit card. Here's a simple step-by-step guide. Go to the official UPSC website, upsc.gov.in. Look for the admit card section on the homepage. Find the UPSC EPFO Admit Card 2025 link and click it. Enter your registration number, date of birth, and the CAPTCHA code. Click Submit to download your admit card. Print a copy for future reference. Important information at a glance. Application fee. For all candidates, 25 rupees. For female, SC/ST persons with benchmark disability candidates, nil. For those applying for both posts, rupees, 50 rupees. For a single post, rupees. 25. Important dates. Apply online start date July 29th, 2025, 12 noon. Apply online last date August 22nd, 2025, 23:59 hours. Correction window August 23rd, 2025 to August 25th, 2025. Admit card release, third week of November 2025. Exam date, November 30th, 2025. Age limit, Enforcement Officer/Accounts Officer, UREWSs, 30 years, OBCs, 33 years, SC/STs, 35 years, PWBDs, 40 years, Assistant Provident Fund Commissioner, UREWSs, 35 years, OBCs, 35 years, SCs, 40 years, PWBDs, 45 years. Age relaxation applies as per the rules. Qualification: candidates should possess any bachelor's degree. Salary: Enforcement Officer, Accounts Officer, Level 8 in the pay matrix as per 7th CPC. Assistant Provident Fund Commissioner, Level 10 in the pay matrix as per 7th CPC. Vacancy details: Enforcement Officer, Accounts Officer, 156. Assistant Provident Fund Commissioner, 74. Selection process. The selection process includes a written test and an interview. Need more information? For more details, you can find the following. Apply online, https://upsonline.nis.in. The information policy from images posted. Notification. Image/image link terminal have image information terminal documents found freejobalert.com. Notification. https://upsonline.nis.in. Wait upsc.gov.in/sites default/file/special advent number 52 2025 Ingle 290725. https://gov.in/sites default file/special advent number 52 2025.pdf. Short notification: https://gov.in/sites default file/special advent number 52 10258590 /image2 freejobalert.com/news/2025/07 10235688058596845.pdf. Official website: https://gov.in/sites default file/special advent number 52 20. Good luck with your exam. Do you have any questions about the application process or the exam? Share your thoughts and concerns in the comments below.